Okay, so here we are with the made in Japan genuine Amstrad 901, and we'll put it on Mega Chippie channel, and then we'll plug the extension speaker in once I've made initial contact. So we're using our standard replacement mic. The non-original mic it came with has got a broken PTT bar. Whether or not the customer can sort that out is entirely up to him. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger, I'm just going to plug my extension speaker in.
Roger that.
So a lot wrong with this. The ballast resistor had been shorted out, which had actually ruined the PA transistor. That's predictable. Right, I'm all ready.
Roger that.
Oh, we've got a tone control when you're ready.
We're passing out and recording.
Okay, tone control test.
Yep, roger that. So we're just heading up the lane towards Woody's lay-by.
Keep it in the trebly bit.
See the field on the right's got a new crop of something in. It's going green.
But they seem to have mowed along the edge.
Yeah, I think you mean ploughed it, never mowed it.
Yeah, you're quite right, of course.
Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger Dodger.
Roger.
Passing Ancaster service station 152.9 and 159.9.
Roger on that.
Beep.
Yeah, I thought we'd switch a beep on now.
Roger beep. Right, we're square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads and we're off again.
That's quick, better than 11 minutes I waited yesterday on the way back from the wedding I did at Wilford.
Oh dear, well the temporary lights have gone now.
Yeah, Roger's actually clearing them up with the time went through yesterday.
Roger. Passing the top of the hill, go down in towards Wilsford.
Roger got you at the top of the hill. I was just about to sneeze, but it didn't.
Roger, that's using my trick. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Roger got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I want an Amstrad CB901, genuine made in Japan one that cost 89,099 originally. And doing a full forward output and I'm on a stand-free pencil microphone.
Yep, roger that. All received. Right, we're now going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
What have we got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing?
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn, over.
What have you got you at the Kelby turn?
Roger. Passing the Grayleys turn, over.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, well, here we are on this Amstrad 901 type genuine, doing full 4 watts, going 1.18 amps to do so. I've gone to low power and 220 milliwatts on this set, speed set. Here goes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We are back on full power, over.
Yep, roger that. No problems on high power. Bit difficult, well, very difficult to read you on low power.
Well, there you go. 220 milliwatts to even do anything is fantastic. The 5.5 miles the wrong side of a hill and with all that vegetation.
Yep, roger that.
Okay, off you go when you're ready.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, so here we are on this Amstrad 901 Type Genuine, doing a full 4 watts and drawing 1.18 amps to do so. We've gone to low power, and it's 220 milliwatts on this set. It's preset. Here goes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're on low power doing 220 milliwatts. And back to full power. There we are back on full power over.
Yeah, roger that, no problems on high power. Bit difficult, well, very difficult to read on low power.
Wow, there you go, 220 milliwatts to even do anything is fantastic for 5.5 miles in the wrong side of a hill and with all that vegetation.
Yep, roger that.
Okay, off you go when you're ready.
Right, we're on the move again.
Roger on that.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yep, so you'll be wanting petrol prices 155.7 and 162.9.
Okay, roger on that. That works fine, thank you.
Yep, roger. 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me, please, over?
Yep, you're wanting petrol prices 155.7 and 162.9.
Okay, Roger on that. That worked fine, thank you.
Yep, roger. 10-10.
10-10. Okay, and that did work fine. So we'll see what it sounds like with the base station, and then I'll go over and we'll have that hymn which was featured in the adult comic, the adult Grin magazine, Viz. It was Mrs. Brady, Old Lady, wasn't it? And she's singing this hymn in a hot air balloon, and I thought, well, I wonder if it's fictitious, and I looked it up and it wasn't. And so I played that during communion. And the vicar said that is absolutely wonderful, and I said, oh, you know it then? She said, yes. Well, it's not in any of our hymn books, but she's from Zimbabwe. Yes, it was to come to me. Oh dear. Come thou fount of every blessing. So we'll go to that at the end, and those of you not interested, you can switch off at the end of the base station bit.
Tango 21 testing the Amstrad at 901 into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 12345, 54321, this is our standard replacement microphone. So we're going to go over to me playing the organ in the chapel, so if you don't want to have a look at that,